Now I'm broke down. I'll show you guys what I got to do to get running again. So running a disc and chiseling ground, it's hard on equipment. So one of these U-bolts busted off that hold this disc set onto the frame. I don't have another one. So what I found, I come over here, there's a holder right here that when you fold this disc up, it just holds it in place. I'm gonna take this bolt out and put it over here temporarily so I can get running again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And we're getting there. Just gotta finish taking this nut off, drop that U-bolt. I got a new one right there that I took off over here, and we'll be ready to roll. I'm trying to replace this U-bolt, and I don't have a cheater bar to put on my wrench, but I do got a piece of 2-inch copper water line, and boy does it work. 9 o'clock in the morning, getting ready to fold these wings up on this disc and fold the packer up out back and head down the road and do the next field.